You cannot go in, my princess.
What is the meaning of this?
Sorry, my princess. It is an order.
Order from who? Please, excuse me, let me
Please,
my
princess. Do not make this difficult for us. Please.
Please, my princess. If you can wait, let me confirm.
You know what this means? It's my father steps out of this. Father.
How dare you? How dare you insult me? Insult yourself and insult this royal household. How dare you?
Father, how could you do this to me? Father, you slapped me.
Who is this son of a cow that you have been insulting yourself with? Who is he? Speak before I kill you here.
I was coming back from somewhere. I noticed the python. And I used this thing and killed the python. I defend myself.
Why will you kill a python?
I tried to defend myself now. What is that?
It is a very big sacrilege.
So I can't defend.
We don't kill a python in this community.
Hey, what do you mean?
Now listen, you are going to bury this python like a human being. You will bury it like a human being. Did they send you? Come with us.
You should count yourself lucky that a young man who found you killing the python did not kill you. What did you say your name is again?
No, my name is Kadiri Etiko.
And you came all the way from Uko Kingdom.
Yes, ma'am.
To see your friend, whom the gods blessed with a child after so many years of waiting.
Yes, ma'am.
This your friend you came to see. Did he not mention to you that here in Umudieze kingdom that we do not harm the python? Not to talk of killing it?
No, he didn't mention anything for me.
You killed a python on our land, and by so doing, you have desecrated an ancient tradition of our Umudieze kingdom. In Umudieze kingdom, we do not harm the python, not to talk of killing it.
No, I'm sorry.
Anyone who kills the python must give it burial that is befitting of royalty. The practice is rooted into our tradition. And I will tell you a story for you to understand why that tradition came into existence.
Have you gone out of your mind that then say, why in this world will you insult my queen? Disrespect her simply because she was trying to make you behave better? Why will you do that?
No, Father. That was not what happened.
Be quiet! I have not called you here for you to start discussing anything. This woman standing here is my queen, and you must have to respect her.
Father, what is going on? You didn't even hear from me to confirm what happened, and you're yelling at me.
If I should stand up from here, and you are still standing there, even the gods will not be able to save you from my hands.
Father, it's me.
And let this be the very last time this will happen. Do not allow it to happen again. Get out.
Thank you for giving me the bragging right. Thank you for putting her in a place. She should learn to respect me. I'm the queen.
You are always welcome.
My princess, what have we done? What wrong have we done to deserve this? My only daughter! My only daughter! I curse the gods! I curse them for taking away the only thing that gives me joy!
My princess! My daughter! The pennies of my mother! I gave him mother, my princess! Do something! The pennies too much! The pennies too much, my princess! Gods of our land! The gods have forsaken us!
Oh, who can help us? Mothers are crying. Children are dying. Calamity in the land. When will this story end? We are tired. Guinea can you made it? Guinea can you made it? Fathers are burying their sons. Mothers are carrying.
Ibe. Ibe.
My queen.
Where have you been?
My queen, I'm here, my queen. I'm here.
And you did not see the princess leave this palace?
Princess? My queen, the princess is still in her chamber.
You fool. Just pray to the gods that I do not miss her. And then you will hear from me. Where are you going to?
To follow you in search of her, a queen. And to guide you throughout the night.
You will go and guide your stupid and useless generations and your ancestors. Stay right here and wait for me. And listen, do not say a word to anybody, not even my husband, the king.
Yes, my queen.
Fool.
Oh. What took you so long?
I tried to make sure that nobody followed me. So I had to bid good night to everyone in the palace so that no one will disturb my night.
Obim, that's very smart of you. I've been waiting.
Obim,
Obim.
you know you're everything to me. Everything that I need in this life is you. You're my moon that shines in the night.
Oh.
My sun that shines in the daytime. You're everything that God have used to favor me. Obi, ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Obi mo, ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
Adaeze mo, ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ọ bụ chi nyere m. Adaeze mo, ịbụ obi ajụlụ. Let me tell you my own, okay? Let me say it to you. You see, if there is a light that shines in the dark, that is you. If there is a woman that will always win my heart, that is Adeze. If there is any beautiful woman the gods ever created, that is you, Adeze. And I love you.
I love you, Obi.
Adeze mo, afụrụ gị n'anya, ọ bụ chi nyere m. Obi mo, afụrụ gị n'anya, mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ị na-anụ?
Obi mo, afụrụ m gị n'anya. Obi mo, afụrụ m gị n'anya. Mụ na gị ga-ebi o. Mụ na gị ga-ebi o. Mụ na gị ga-ebi o. Obi nke m o.
Okay, you know why I brought you out? I have a gift for you. Close your eyes, let me bring it.
Okay.
Open your hand like this. Adeze mo, afụrụ gị n'anya, ọ bụ chi nyere m.
This is beautiful.
You like it?
I love it.
Just manage it. Manage it. This is what I can.
You see why I love you so much. You don't just love me. You care about me. You think about me. You cherish me. And I want to promise you that I will wear this all the days of my life. Until you grow old.
Thank you for accepting it.
Please, can you help me put on my neck?
Adeze mo, afụrụ gị n'anya, ọ bụ chi nyere m. Adeze mo, afụrụ gị n'anya.
The price you pay for love sometimes is strange, hurtful and painful. It's alright.
Uche, what did the queen say?
The queen told us to be watchful, not to allow anybody or anything come in or go out from here.
If that's what she said, why must she exclude me into the discussion?
Maybe you should go and ask the queen, since you really want to know.
Where are you coming from? Do not think of lying to me because you have not been in this palace.
My king, you are my lord, and I cannot lie to you. Yes, you're right. I've not been in the palace.
Why do you speak so confidently? You left your husband in the palace and you went somewhere that I do not know. And here you are, speaking with a lot of confidence. Have you been seeing another man?
Tufiakwa.
What is Tufiakwa?
May the gods forbid I think of such evil in my heart. My king, you have given me everything and more. My lord, when I talk about your daughter, Daisy, you think I hate her, or because I'm not her mother and all that.
Oh, Pastor, have you lost it? What has Daisy got to do with this discussion bothering on you? Leaving your husband here and going somewhere at night. What has Daisy got to do with this?
My lord, your daughter Daisy disrespects the throne and the royal household. Your daughter Adese is in the forest with a commoner that your guards and servants are better than. She's disgracing herself over there.
Why do you speak very despicable words about my own daughter? What is this? My daughter Adese has gone into her chamber, resting for the night.
My king, you're right. But please, can we just walk into Adese's room to check and know who is lying?
Omasere, you disappoint me. You knew all this while that the princess has been doing this and you never bothered to tell me. Where could she be?
My king, I have been saying things to you, but you do not listen. Like I said earlier, your precious daughter Adese is in the forest with one commoner singing stupid love songs.
This is so hard for me to
And
believe.
that's where the problem lies, my lord. I keep saying it. Oh, you feel I hate your daughter.
Ushe. Ikem.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ibe.
Yes, Your Highness.
This is that night that you are going to prove to me you were all trained to work as guards in the palace. The princess, on no account, must not be allowed to access her chamber without seeing me.
Yes, Your Highness.
cannot go in, my princess.
What is the meaning of this?
Sorry, my princess. It is an order.
Order from who? Please, excuse me, let me turn
Please, my princess. Do not make this difficult for us. Please.
Please, my princess. If you can wait, let me confirm.
You know what this means is my father steps out of this. Father.
How dare you? How dare you insult me? Insult yourself and insult this royal household. How dare you?
Father, how could you do this to me? Father, you slapped me.
Who is this son of a cow that you have been insulting yourself with? Who is he? Speak before I kill you here. You are dumb?
Father, nobody, I don't even know who you are talking about. I don't know.
Uche,
Yes, my queen.
do not forget what I've told you. And do not mess things up for me.
Yes, my queen. Ibe, walk with us. We are going somewhere now.
Okay. Shua.
This way.
What's going on, Uche? Nothing is going on. Nothing is going on. Nothing's going on. You grab my weapon?
Just keep moving.
It's all about the queen?
Yes. Work with us.
Uche, everything the queen asked me to do, I did it. Believe me, I never knew when the princess left the palace. I should have followed her. Okay. Allow me to say goodbye to my family. Allow me, please. Let me say my last prayer.
You would have told that to the queen when you faltered. Now move.
Do not feel bad, Ikem, for it is not our making. We are just following Queen's order.
Uche, I helped you finish off Ibe because he tried to attack you. If not, I would have not helped you take his life.
It is done and dusted. Who cares? Who knows? Nobody.
My conscience troubles me.
Why? Why is your conscience at work today? We are just servants following orders. We have been tools in the Queen's hand, and today will not be exception. Please, let us go.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that.
Make the mistake of laying your royal hands on this commoner, and I will forget you are my daughter and cut off the hands.
Father, why? Why, Father? What has he done wrong?
You asking me what?
What has he done wrong? That he only came into my life to give me the happiness I never had?
Happiness? What useless happiness? No, are you going to insult me in his presence?
Father, no, I'm not insulting you, Father, but please don't do this. Don't do this.
My king, please, do not stain your precious hands with his blood. He's not worth it. My king, if you ask me, I think you should just banish them from this land, together with his family.
No, Father, you can't do that. Father, you're a good man. You're a good man.
What exactly? What is that thing you have seen in this commoner that you have not seen in all the noble men that have been coming for your hand in marriage? What is that?
Love. Love, Father. That same love you felt for my mother when you were together.
My king, did you hear that? You just insulted me, right? You insulted me.
Gods,
Your Highness.
take this commoner, lock him up. Do that before I change my mind.
Father, you can't do this. Father, you can't do this. Stop it.
Adenze, stay out of this. Listen, reinvent yourself.
Reinvent yourself so fast before I kill you. Get out.
My queen, how did you find out about us?
I am the queen. There is nothing hidden that I will not fish out.
That's very correct, my queen. Very correct. At least let her feel the pain that she has caused you for so long.
This is just the beginning. I will so deal with her that everyone who loves her would hate her with so much passion. Her legs will tremble. She will run. Bam! From this palace.
Bam!
That's a promise.
Exactly, my queen. That is it. See, my queen, whenever you need me, anytime, any day, I'm ready. Just call on me and I'll be there. My queen.
Baby, please. Please. I'm sorry. But I assure you that I will speak to my father. I will speak to him on your behalf. And he will do as he said. I promise you that. I can't afford to miss you. I can't afford to lose you of him.
I will love you to the end. Till the end, I will love you. The little moment we share together is like 1,000 years to me. And is it worth it?
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you. I make a promise. Nothing will happen to us. You will be by my side until we get old. Nothing shall happen to us. You will be by my side until we get old. It's a promise.
My princess, you have to go into your hut and stay. At least rest. Because if the king sees you here, you know, you will anger the king. And the king will punish him the more.
Nobody dares. Nobody.
Is it true? Please.
No. Nobody dares touch him again.
Please.
Nobody.
Please. You need to go, please.
I'm not going anywhere.
No.
I'm going to stay here with you.
If the king finds you here, he will ask them to touch on me again.
They will have to pass through me to do that this time around. I will not let anybody touch you again, I promise you.
You think I'll bear it seeing you go through this kind of a thing?
Please. Please, let me stay with you. Let me stay with you. Please, I beg you. Let me stay with you, please.
Please go.
I'm sorry.
Please go.
I'm sorry.
Listen. You need to go.
No. No. Obi. Listen. Obi. Listen.
Where is Obina? Where did you take him to?
Obina and his family was escorted out of the kingdom early this morning.
To where?
I don't really know.
Father! 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 Father, why? After all my pleading throughout the night, Father, you still went ahead to act as a king that you are? Father, what have I done to you that you don't care about my happiness anymore? What?
Why should I care about a maiden who does not know what she wants in life? Why should I care about a maiden who will go ahead to disrespect her father, who is the king? Why should I care about a maiden who will go for a commoner instead of the noble men that are coming for her hand in marriage? I decided to handle it once and for all. I decided to continue from where you stopped. Nip the insult on the bud so that nobody will develop the fearlessness of slapping me, maybe in the village square.
No, Father. You know that is not true. Father, what has come over you? Father, this is not you. This is not you. What is going on? I must dig out what it is as soon as possible.
Oh, may the gods of this land grant you the wisdom to do just that. But most importantly, find out what you have to be doing as the princess for the progress of this kingdom. That should be what you should be thinking. Get out!
She's the savior of the land. Her love for her people, oh Sirike. She wants to fight for all, child of destiny.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my people. I know you all are waiting for the princess to come and play with you as usual.
We've been waiting for long, my queen. Many have gone on because they're tired of waiting.
My queen, is Princess Adeza still coming?
Well, my people, the truth is, the princess will not come here today.
But why, my queen? What happened?
Well, things that are meant for the palace and the royal household should remain there. If I open my mouth to tell you the atrocities your Princess Adeze has been committing, you all will ask the king to bring her here and you will stone her to death.
Why, my princess? Why will you do such a thing?
You all think I'm playing? Listen to me. My words are as pure, truthful, and flowing as this river.
My princess, I brought you food. Please, you have to eat something. Okay? My princess, what has happened has happened. You have to find a way to move on. For days now, you've not eaten. And it's not good for your health. It's not good for your body. Please eat something, my princess, please.
Please, just let me be. I don't want to eat anything. My father has made up his mind as a king that he is. My father do not care about me anymore. My father do not care about my feelings nor my happiness anymore.
want to eat.
My princess, that's not true. You know it's not true. Your father loves you so much. And everyone, even the entire kingdom can attest to that.
Then what happened? What happened to my father? What changed? My father has changed so much. Right now, he do not care if anything should happen to me. He do not care if I die, I live. He do not care if I eat, if I don't eat. That's not my father, I know. What happened to my father?
My princess, I think he's planning. He's building for your future. Trying to protect you. Trying to protect the entire kingdom. Please, please.
Please, it's okay. Just let me be, please. I don't want to say what I will finally regret later. Please. Me.
What future? What future is my father planning? With who? Ask you, with who?
Just go with your food, please.
Oh, please, just try to take some.
I don't want to eat.
Please eat.
Live with your food. Just leave. Leave already.
Adeze, you want to know what happened? You really want to know what happened between you and your father? Okay. I happened to you, Adeze. I, Kadiri Okoye, happened to you. After you've denied the king from seeing my beauty and all the effort I've put in to become a wife in this palace, Adeze, you deny me of that. So I happened to you. Even when the new queen came, I poisoned her heart to hate you, Adeze. My king. My king, please stop thinking too much. My king, the gods know why they have to take the queen. Huh? Please, my king, I brought this food for you.
Thank you. Keep on the table.
My king, I'm here to comfort you so that you'll not be worried. I'm not happy seeing you worried. My king, my father, Igwe Kigwe, Ofonya Nasiruna. Father, you're not just a father to me, but you are the chi I see every day I wake up.
Yeah.
Yes, my father. And you are not just a king to your people. You are also a father to the fatherless. Hope to the hopeless. You are a life saver. You are a joy giver to your people, my father. Father, I love you. And I will always love you till the end of this world.
Adeze.
No other person can be like you, my father.
Adeze, you speak the best of things. You melt my heart every time you open your mouth. It dawns on me when you speak that you are not just smart, you are absolutely intelligent.
Like my father.
The sun and the moon, they rise in your face. And in you, I see hope. Are you no longer that person who came in, gave me light when death introduced darkness by taking my wife away? You have become everything. In you, I see hope.
Father.
Adakada. nwaanyị ka ibe ya.
Hi.
Ofu nwaanyị ka ụmụ nwoke asaa. You are my everything. Thank the gods for giving me a beauty like you.
And I thank the gods for giving me a father like you.
Imagine that you were not my daughter. You would have been like a mother. You would have been like a sister. You would have been like even a wife. But thank the gods, you are my daughter.
And I will continue to be your mother.
And I love you.
I love you, Father. There will never be a dull moment while I'm with you, Father.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you more.
My king. My king. Why do you panic like someone who is afraid? Why?
Tell me, what are you doing here this night? I cannot remember sending for you to come into my chamber this night. What is going on?
My king. My king. My king. I came to find out if there's anything I can get for you. Anything I can help you with. Anything. Anything. My king.
Father.
Father.
My full moon.
Yes, Father.
The light that shines in my world. The one who is always on time to make sure I do not do anything wrongly.
Yes, Father.
How are you?
I'm very well, my father. How are you doing?
I am just okay. Why are you still looking so dressed up? Are you not supposed to be sleeping by now?
I just want to be sure that my father is doing very well before I can retire to my chambers.
I am good, as you can see. Very good.
My father, the king himself.
Thank you.
My Udugu.
For always checking up on me. I appreciate it.
It's fine, Father. I can now go to sleep.
Good.
Good night, Father.
Good night. My elders, what I have just narrated is the exact reason I called for this meeting.
My king, you have spoken well. It's a welcome idea. Yes. A thing of joy. My king, you have overtried. Your wife, our queen, died long ago. Yet, you kept yourself.
It's not easy.
You respected yourself. Not minding distraction from all those women coming here to know if you fall prey. We are solidly behind you.
It's not easy.
Any day, anytime you call us, we will answer you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate.
My king, my fellow elders, we are really supporting our king and encouraging him. But we are forgetting to ask him a question.
And what is that question?
My king, have you been eyeing any beautiful woman in this village that have captured your mind?
Uzo.
Yes, now.
If the king tells you now, what would you do? My king, please forget the question. We are waiting for a call.
Biko Wariok.
It is going to happen soon. Very soon.
For days now, several meetings has been going on in this palace about the king having a new wife, a new queen.
Here, it's no longer a new thing. Steps has been taken. Very soon we'll have a new queen.
Look at where both of you are. Smiling and discussing. If the king takes us as wives, will heaven fall on earth?
What do you mean?
Why are you asking what do I mean? Are you not woman enough to be taken as wife by the king? If Ife is not, are you not? Huh?
Please, don't involve me in your plans. Don't involve me, The tree has ears. And there are some certain things beyond our contributions as servants in this palace. So please, don't involve me. I'm leaving here.
Oh yes, you're a servant.
Yes,
you are a servant.
Yes.
That is why you make yourself lesser than everyone else. The God that created us as one. We are one before the gods.
And yet, we all are not equal. Please, let me go with Ife before the world.
You can go! You can go. Commoners. Look at them, commoners. They don't even know their worth. What does the queen have that I don't have? I have everything. All it takes to become the queen of this land. But look at you, because you look down on yourself. Commoners. That is how you remain commoners forever. Ndiala. Nai.
Ndewo.
Greetings.
Thank you.
Nai, when is the new queen arriving? I'm very curious.
Oh, next tomorrow. In fact, everybody will use tomorrow to prepare. Yes, because the king himself is preparing a very big celebration so that everyone will come and eat and wine with him.
Nai, this is very good.
Good.
And I'm happy you informed me so that I will arrange something special with other servants.
That would be very nice. But still then, the king will inform you people today or later.
I know. Dalo.
Okay.
Thank you. Imagine my position. Imagine my position is what another woman is taking. All because of her days. All because of her days. No, I cannot take this. I cannot. Hey!
Nkem?
Yes, my queen.
There is something I want to ask you.
What is it, my queen?
I have been in this palace for a while, and there's something I noticed about you.
What do you notice, my queen?
Your deep hatred for my daughter, Princess Adeze, is something to worry about, and it's so high.
My queen, that is impossible. I have been with Princess Adeze and her mother, Noma, and I've loved and cared for them ever since. That is impossible.
I know that I'm not the biological mother of Princess Adeze. You should not remind me that indirectly.
My queen, please. I do not know what you're talking about.
Before I agreed to marry the king, I know he has a daughter. And I also know that she might be a challenge to me. So, I understand what I got myself into.
My queen, like I said, I do not know what you're talking about. I'm sorry, I beg to take my leave. My queen, you sent for me.
Yes, Nkem. I
Okay.
did. There's something you were trying to tell me the other time before the king called me. What was it?
No, nothing, my queen.
Nkem, you saw me confronting the princess, and then you whispered to me that I should be careful about something. What exactly were you trying to say?
My queen, I have nothing to say to you.
What if I triple your wages and give you a special treatment?
For real? Are you serious?
Nkem, I'm very serious.
Okay.
Sit.
Come on, my queen. I want to stand.
You know something, Nkem? You have been in this palace, so you know things way before me in this palace. And if I must rule, take charge, dominate, without anyone blocking my way, I need someone like you to stand beside me.
Adaeze is your one and only problem in this palace.
I know. I know. I see how the villagers love and adore her more than I, the queen.
Even the king takes her as number one and not you.
No, you know that cannot be possible.
If anything should go wrong right now, or the king happens to be no more, Adaeze is the one people will want to take the throne.
No! Never! I am the queen!
Yes, you are the queen, but Adaeze is above you.
If that is the case, I will take her out. And you, Nkem, must help me.
No, my queen, count me out.
Why?
Please. Because it cannot be done.
And I ask you why?
The law of the land. You cannot kill Adaeze or even plot evil against her because she is the Ada of the kingdom. Nobody can even touch her or disfigure her.
So, as it stands, we have lost, and then she has won, right?
There are so many ways to kill a rat. I will keep happening to you. Adaeze, I will keep happening to you until you're off from this palace. Until they've thrown you out of this palace. Then I'll focus on the new queen. That is my mission.
My king, it will be benefiting and it will make a lot of sense if you accept the offer.
What offer?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
You're welcome. What offer are you talking about? She is not in the right frame of mind now. Let us give her some time.
Some time?
Yes.
My king, you told me that you want to align with the king of Iburu kingdom. And now he's here to ask for Adaeze's hand in marriage. And you're refusing? My king, no now. Think about it.
Aligning with that king will take my power to another level. All of us, we are going to have a lot of things in common.
Then, my king, what are you not saying? Just let her know about the proposal and that's it.
I am thinking on how she is going to react, on what she is going to say. Why are you not getting it?
My lord, what she will say and how she's going to react is not important at this time. The only important thing is what we would gain if you align with the king of Ibudu Kingdom. This kingdom will know goodness, opportunities, development, everything good will come to us. How she's going to react and what she thinks is not important at this time. What you will gain is more important, my king.
Beautiful daughter of mine, I am so happy that once again you have started to eat your food and started going about your businesses. I am very happy for you.
Father, please, can you tell me why you called me? Because I am very sure this is not why you called me. I mean, it's been long we had this kind of conversation. So I'm all ears.
Palace walls have ears indeed. I can see that maybe palace walls may have whispered something into your ears. And that is why you are sounding this way. I will still speak so that you hear it from my mouth directly. King Ezani, the ruler of Eburu Kingdom, will be coming for your hand in marriage. That's it.
Who is advising you?
How do you mean?
I mean, who speaks to you? Who do you listen to? Because this is not my father. Father, this is not you speaking.
Why will you say that? Have I said anything bad?
Ezani is coming for your daughter's hand in marriage.
The king of Eburu Kingdom, yes.
And you are ready to give the hand of your daughter to Ezani, Father?
Why should I not?
As the 15th wife.
That is not a problem at all, Adeze. I am determined to give you to him because I know when you get there, you will have the opportunity to start building your own empire. I mean, you are going to create your own kingdom based on the rules they have in the Eburu Kingdom. It's something nice, something you will love, and something that I have already approved.
This is how you see it, Father.
Adeze, I have not actually called you here for us to start any form of discussion or argument. I called you to brief you on what I have already decided, what is going to happen. That's it.
I need your mother. I am frustrated here. I no longer have peace. No life. No joy. No freedom anymore in my own father's house. I am frustrated, Mother. I need your help. I need you. Please. Come, Mother. Come, Mother.
To be honest with you, this whole thing is becoming very confusing.
Greetings, royal household.
You are welcome, priestess. To what do we owe this visit of yours?
Thank you for your kind gesture. But today is not those good days. I'm not here to receive pleasantries as usual.
Why is it not, priestess?
The river goddess of whom is the kingdom is very angry with this community. A lot has been going on. First, they plotted unwanted marriage to the first daughter of the river goddess, forcing her to choose against her will instead of to protect her. The river goddess is angry. Secondly, a royal blood, in her greed, took the life of an innocent, swore with lies in the river goddess in front of her people. Thirdly, the blood of an innocent was washed in our sacred river in secret. Your Highness, this is a great sin. This is why our goddess has refused to accept our prayers and has caused calamity, death, hunger in our land. Your Highness, I am here to pass this important message to you. The earlier you do something, the better.
Those are very strong words.
But who must have done all these atrocities to suffer the people? Huh? What have we done?
The priestess did not say. But we are not going to dwell on that. Whatever it is we must have to activate to find a solution, we are going to activate it.
My king, please, do it very fast. Please, before all those things the priestess says began to happen. Please, my lord.
My elders, whatever we have to share or do, we must be very fast about it to prevent this coming wind.
There is nothing we can do than to sacrifice.
And not just a sacrifice, a big one for that matter.
And if we can sacrifice, let us sacrifice for the air, farmlands, and our river that was turned.
More important.
Very, very. You're
More
right.
important.
You're right.
What is happening? Hey! Mikey! Mikey! Hey!
Ishokoro, you are confusing me with your lamentation. Can you tell me what is going on? Are you no longer the highest cattle rearer we have in this land? The one with the highest number of cattle, the highest number of goats, highest number of almost all the domesticated animals. We know who you are. Why are you here crying like a child? What happened?
My king, the gods have forsaken us. I am finished, my king.
Why will you say that? What happened?
My king, I woke up this morning with my workers just to find out that all the animals are dead. All of them! Nothing is left for me, my king. Nothing!
My king! My king! My king!
What is it?
My king, we went to the stream to fetch water. And before our very eyes, the stream dried up.
Hey! What? What?
Hey, Igwe.
What is it?
Igwe, I'm finished. Igwe, I went to my farm. All the crops in my farm, they are all dead, Igwe. Igwe, I'm finished. There's nothing left. Igwe, the gods of rain refuse to favor us. I'm finished, Igwe. I need water. We need water. Please, we need help.
Oh, who can help us? Mothers are crying, children are dying.
My elders, I know you will be wondering why I sent for you suddenly. I did because it is getting from bad to worse. You see, Okoro, that highest cattle rearer we have in the land, the one with a lot of cows, with a lot of goats, with a lot of chickens.
We know him. We know him.
He just left here now. All the animal, all the livestock under his care, all gone. Died. What is going on?
My king, we should be asking you this. There is this sacrifice that was recommended to be made. What is holding us from making this sacrifice? And we're sitting here looking at ourselves and then doing as if nothing is happening.
I am Your Highness. I must be straight with you. We don't know you as a lazy king. You are the great lion of our kingdom. How can you sit down and watch our people die in their numbers? And you're still there sitting down. Do something. Stand up. Lead. Let us follow you.
Okafor, let me support you. Your Highness, you can't sit there and watch our people dying day by day. It is wrong. And we have agreed to make a sacrifice. And you are here telling us, asking us questions as what now? Okay, Uzigwe, get up and do something before we all die in this village. Okay, Neme.
And we have the solution. Why can't we do the sacrifice? Why can't we do the sacrifice?
I wonder what is going on.
Priestess, I want to thank you on behalf of the men in council for responding within such a short notice. We ask you to come because we have decided in council to make a huge sacrifice come the next Eke market day. A sacrifice to take care of the calamity that is befalling our land. We have decided to offer 7 cows, 14 goats, and 400 tubers of yam. You are the one who will take care of that sacrifice, and we want you to start preparing to handle it come the next Eke market day. In the meantime, what you have before me are the items we have presented to you as our special thank you for coming.
Exactly.
You can live with them when you are leaving.
Ebe pere ugo pere. Onye se yi pere bele nkukwa kwa ya. Owo kwa la di maka ibe rifa. Your Highness, I have heard what you said, and we shall do just as you said. And let's know what happened next. Let's see what the gods will say.
Your Highness, she just left without the gifts. Elders, there is trouble.
Ishioka, that is not a problem. I will send one of the guards to take these things to her.
Okay.
My king. My lord, I understand how heavy this is on you. The burden. But my king, I want to ask, the marriage between King Ezani and Princess Adese.
What is wrong with you? Why do you sound this way? These people that are dying, are they not equally your people? No, do you sound this way because you live in the palace? And then you believe that these sufferings that our people are facing will never get to you? You are wrong. Very soon, even those of us in the palace will start to feel the heat. That is, unless the gods show mercy. You should know that.
Yes, my lord, I understand what you're saying perfectly. But my lord, I want you to think about it this other way. My lord, if we do very fast and make the marriage between the king and the princess happen, the king might help us. He can prefer solution to us and then sort out the things happen.
Is that what you think? I am not going to allow you to sound very ridiculous. We cannot wash our dirty linens in public. We cannot do that. I have put a permanent stop to everything that is concerning the marriage for now. And that is how it should be. Until further notice. Do not say anything.
I'm sorry.
Why are you here? Has my father sent for me?
No, my princess. A word came from afar.
A word? From Obina?
Yes, my princess.
May the gods be praised. Yes, I'm here, I'm listening.
But a word from another kingdom is not directly from Obina.
I do not understand what you're saying.
My princess, the words say that a war broke out in the kingdom Obina stays, and he couldn't survive it.
You don't know what you're saying. You're not sure of what you're saying. No. See, Obina promised to come take me out of this miserable place. He made me a promise. I've been waiting for the day Obina will come and take me out of this place. You're not sure, right?
I am very sure, my princess. Got the information from a very reliable source.
No, you can't be sorry. Because it's not possible. Nothing happened to Obina, right? Nothing happened to Obina. No, Obina is fine. Obina is coming to take me, right? Obina is coming to take me. Tell me that.
Oh, my princess. Obina is gone.
No. No!
I feel for her this period. She's going through a lot emotionally.
I don't know who to believe in this palace anymore.
Why?
Because I don't know who is saying the truth and who is lying.
And that is because our kingdom is going through a big challenge. When the bad days are over and the weather is clear, we are going to know who is with and against this kingdom.
Good.
It is not just good. And I pray you are not among the people against this kingdom.
Why say that? And I hope you are not among either.
What is it?
Greetings.
Yes, greetings.
Why are you running?
I've overstayed my welcome, so I need to go.
The princess wants to know why you're following her and admiring her.
Nothing. I'm just an admirer. Is she not our princess?
Yeah, she is our princess. Your word will get to her.
Thank you very much. And also tell her that she is an amazing person. Thank you.
I'll tell her that.
It's all right.
So how are you?
I'm good, my princess.
What is that your name again?
Obin.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
My princess, you're beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. But you are handsome too.
Thank you. Thank you, my princess.
Can I? You're big. You're really so nice.
Should I give it to you?
It's fine.
No problem. Thank you. Thank you.
Maybe one of these days, we'll just have a time together, maybe in my palace. Is you not comfortable with that?
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
This is true love. It cannot be hidden. Everyone accepts them.
Even the gods accept their union.
May the gods be praised then. I cannot wait for that day.
Me too. The gods are wise.
They are wise indeed.
This is not what you promised me. You promised to take me out of this miserable place. Please. Please come back. Please come back. Come back to me. Come back to me.
Okay. Now that all the things we have thrown at her is not working, they did not work. What do we do?
Simple. We'll wait, my queen.
We will wait?
Simple. We will wait.
We wait? How? Okay, we do not have that time right now.
Because if we rush now that the kingdom is, it will affect everything.
And for how long?
For as long as it takes, my queen. We'll wait.
But there's no hope in that.
We are not relying on hope anymore. We are relying on a chance. Once the opportunity comes, we strike. So we wait.
Okay. That sounds more like it.
Yes.
It kind of makes sense.
Patience is the format, my queen.
Nothing worked out. All is in vain. Nothing worked out. Nothing to show about it. Do you all realize the huge amount of resources we wasted in that project? But nothing to show for it.
If we did not try Ishio, how would we have known that it will not work? Yes, no harm in trial.
Don't tell me that. Don't go to that extent at all. Don't tell me that. We wasted huge amount of resources in that so-called sacrifice and nothing to show for it. And you're talking.
It was never in vain. It was never in vain. In fact, even the gods know that we have tried. The people have seen our efforts too.
My elders, honestly, I am surprised that this is what we are discussing here. Is this what we should be discussing? What is going on here? We should be planning on what to do next to solve the problem permanently, not taking us back. The evil wind we speak of is already here. That is, if you men have not noticed. It is here already, and it is having devastating effect on our people.
Now that we have tried and see how far our effort were, should we not go back to the priestess and see what the gods say?
Go back to the same priestess. Ishi Osando, we have already gathered that secretly or lately you have been planning on a way to walk yourself into the heart of the priestess.
No longer new.
Therefore, we are going to leave you with that. Liaise with her and give us feedback.
Yes. In that case, we are sending you to the priestess.
Let us rethink.
I've seen them.
My princess, where are you headed? You are supposed to be resting. You're going through a lot.
I shall rest when I return, my queen. Thank you.
And I ask again, where are you going to?
I shall be back soon, stepmother.
Eh?
My princess! Princess! What have we done? What have we done, my princess? Look at my daughter. My wife just died days ago. And now my daughter. Princess, do something. Do something, my princess. My princess, help us.
My princess, do something, please. We are dying, my princess.
Kadiri kola chibuno memo. Kadiri kola lisago. Ale kuna koka manyono chiroba no bowunye. My daughter. No! No!
It's okay.
No! No!
It's okay.
No! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
It's okay. Please, come and sit.
No!
Please, since 3 days, we have not been eating. I shouldn't have scattered. Don't find what you do eat, please, relax. You are the only help I need. You are the only help. You are my only help, please. Please help me, please. Please help me, please. Please, no water, no rain, no food. My kitchen is empty. Because my kitchen is empty, please, I pray. You are the only help I need. Gods of our land! Gods of our land! What have we done? What is happening in my father's land? My people are dying. My people are dying.
Children are dying. Calamity in the land. I mean, I'm a Kini kani game. Aqua kani nebe. When will this story end? We are tired.
Where are you going to? Please. We want to see the king. Please.
Please, allow us to see our king. We are hungry. Please.
Please, allow us enter. We are dying of starvation.
Step back unless the king comes out. Step back.
Don't we see our king?
Let me hear them.
My king! Greetings, my king. Your Highness, please. We are dying of starvation and sickness. It seems the gods have abandoned us, Your Highness.
My king, what did we do wrong? We have come to ask, hoping to get answers from you.
My king, please, we are dying. Our dear kingdom, nothing is working.
My people, I must have to make you understand that I know the pain you people are passing through. I equally want you to know that we are equally in pain this side. Do not fear that we are not doing anything. No, we are doing everything possible to solve the problem. And I want you to have my words. We are going to solve the problem. But for you to come here to beg, I can understand it has become so bad already. We will not leave you empty-handed. Ushe.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ikem.
Yes, my king.
Take them to the barn and give them 4 tubers of yam each. And then gather other food items that can last them for like 2 weeks.
Thank you, my king.
Mothers are carrying their children.
Priestess, you've seen all our people have been passing through. Please, can you tamper justice with mercy? We beg of you.
Mercy? No way. I have said it before. A royal wrong was committed, and a royal blood must enter into her river. That is the only sacrifice, Your Highness. Nothing else. No other sacrifice will be accepted except the one I uttered.
a royal wrong, a royal blood. Who then will sacrifice for us?
A royal blood? Why the royal blood? Who is going to be this sacrificial lamb from the royal blood? My father?
I thought, no. What kind of thing is that? Papa, what kind of thing is that? Just imagine. Imagine him. How can he tell us otherwise? What the princess has made open.
They should come inward and get us somebody. If I'm to say, the king is aware of this whole thing, but he's pretending to be innocent like us.
Especially when the princess has made it open that the royal wrong was committed and are trying to hide it.
Okafo, see, if the king and his household did not do something soonest, we will demand it from him. Bam! If I no more pretending, let me tell you, let him come forward if he's aware or a part of this whole thing. We can't take it anymore from him. Okay?
But Uzo, on the contrary, let us allow the gods to do it themselves. Sooner or later, the gods will come and demand the sacrifice themselves. I think that's a better bet.
Okay. What is it?
My queen, I have been thinking. Are you sure we are not the one the priestess is talking about? Or someone is walking behind our back? Because the missing of Ibe, there has been a mystery that was trying to uncover for long. And the washing of the blood in secret at the river seems to connect.
Just look at what you're doing to yourself. Now let me ask you, are you the one that killed Ibe and washed his blood in the river?
No, my queen. I can be anything, but not to kill someone.
So what's bothering you? Why are you bothering yourself? If we were the evil ones here, the priestess would have just mentioned our names. And besides, royal wrong can be anything. Okay? So, stop bothering yourself.
Oh, okay.
Humiliate.
My queen.
Of all the families in the lineage of kings, all the families that make up the royal family of Awomodi's kingdom, none is willing to have his child offered for the sacrifice. So we have decided in council to send men to another kingdom to make further inquiries on what the priestess said. Effort will be to pin down the very member of the royal family who committed this atrocity so that we can have that person pay with his or her blood straight up.
My king, that is good. Very good. At least our people will have the peace of mind they deserve and everything will go back to normal. Yes, my king. But my king, who and who is going?
Why will you ask me that? Tomorrow we will find out.
Yes, my king. The king has refused to mention the name of those going on that journey to me. And if I pressurize him anymore, then something happens to them on their way. He'll suspect me. Now, this is what we will do. Uche, by nightfall, we will go to the houses of all the elders. Listen to their conversations. Monitor them. They might be saying things with their family members. Anyone who will be going on that journey, take them out.
My queen, that would be too dangerous.
And I cannot get involved with killing when killing is concerned in this matter. I told you before.
Then what do we do? What?
Let us wait till the men that will volunteer to go indicate. At least the king must know, and we extract it from him. Then leave it for us. The rest will be history.
I think you made a good place there.
Mother. Yes, it is me, Adeze, my daughter. You are innocent. People of Umudieze, you so much love, suffers because of lies, because of disobedience, because of broken promises, because of the innocent blood that wasted. But only a pure heart can restore this kingdom. Only a pure heart.
Mother, please, explain to me. I need to understand what you just said. Please, ma.
Explain what? How can I explain what you already know?
Mother, who is supposed to be sacrificed? How do I find her? How do I find the person, Mother? What's a dream? Mother. Sacrifice has to be done. Who would be this sacrificial person? Who would want to sacrifice his child in this kingdom? Gods of our land, please help us.
Who can save us? Oh, who can help us? Mothers are crying, children are dying. Calamity in the land. Anina mati Kini kani game. Aqua kani nebe. When will this story end? We are tired. Kini kani mere. Kini kani mere.
Gods of our land, gods of my land, gods of my fatherland, this has gotten out of hands. This is too much for us to handle. This is too much for me to handle. Please. Must you punish all for the sins of some people in your own kingdom? What is it that we have done to deserve this? Tell me. Tell me what to do because I'm helpless. Tell me what to do. I need to help my people. I need to help my people. Please.
Who can help us? Mothers are crying, children are dying. Calamity in the land.
That's all thing
When will this story end? We are tired.
She looks frustrated.
My queen, this is just the beginning. By the time we will start beating the drum for her, she will never stop dancing.
So look at that. You know, she was marching out. I'm coming. To go and help the people. But what she saw, her eyes could not behold them. She came back and she's frustrated.
It is so unfortunate that it's not about the princess. It's beyond her. Right now, the people need real help.
Definitely. So look at that. She will dance and then she will cry blood. when we are done with her. Princess, my
Hey.
She's the savior of the land. Her love for her people, oh Sirike. She wants to fight for all, child of destiny.
The truth is, I, the queen, I know what I'm doing. Because
our savior, our savior, you're a precious child, child of destiny, child of destiny.
is everything all right with her? Or is she mad?
I would not know, my queen. But I'm sure there's something troubling her.
Whatever. I do not really care. She's the princess. Let her make sure everything is fine for us. Get us good water to drink, good food to eat. That's all that matters. Oh, sometimes I just thank the gods that I am in this palace. If not, I would have starved to death or even died.
My queen, I'm a bit worried. Don't you think I should follow her to go and know what's going on?
Why would you? I ask you why. If she wants to die, it is better. Yes, her death will not be on us.
She's the savior of the land. Her love for her people. Oh, Sirike. She wants to fight for all. Child of
That's not the princess. Greetings, my princess. What's the princess up to? Why is she in that mood? Should we go and stop her now? No, I don't think so. Maybe she's performing a ritual or a sacrifice for something. The king should be aware. You think so? Let's go.
She's the savior of the land. Her love for her people. Oh, Sirike. She wants to fight for all. Child of destiny. Oboronile, kuruginanya, ihe omineme, negosyo wea, sonsogi, bonyani mara, our savior, you're a precious child, child of destiny, child of destiny. The gods of our land, they will hear you, bikonyarayaka.
Nka, where is the princess? She has not been seen in the palace.
My king, I cannot tell for now. She has been in and out of the palace lately.
What does that mean? In and out of the palace? Where is the princess?
As Uche and I were coming back home, we saw Adeza along the road that leads to the stream. The amazing thing, she was not having a crown, nor any of the royal attire. She was in a white cloth with palm leaf on her mouth.
Curse of my land. What is she up to?
Adeze Nwabusoma Obiamaka. She's the savior of the land. Her love for her people Osirike. She wants to fight for all. Child of destiny. Sosogi Gasabutani. Adezamaka. Oh my God.
Mother of the rivers. Mother of the rivers. Mother of the rivers! What have we done to deserve this? What have we done that you abandon your own children to suffer? Please. Whatever we have done that made you turn your back at us, I am here to plead. Please. If my life can save my people, if my life can save my kingdom, please take me. Take me, Mother. Take me.
My child, Adeze, daughter of the king, why have you come?
Mother, I am here because your children are suffering. I am here because death, starvation has become the order of the day in Umudeze kingdom. Mother, I am here to sacrifice myself to save my people.
I have never seen such heart before. And who sent you? Adeze. Who?
Nobody sent me, Mother. Calamities in your own land, and there is nothing we could do. I brought myself, Mother. Please save your people.
Adeze, you have spoken like a wise woman you are. But I must ask again. Did you come by your own will? Or were you forced to be here?
I came willingly, mother. I came willingly. Please, take me and save my people.
In that case, you will not die. You will be transformed because your kind is well. Your sacrifice is not of this world. And because of this, you will walk the river in a new form. And your people will live. But are you sure you are ready to sacrifice yourself for your people? Adeze?
Yes, mother. I'm ready.
Step forward into the river.
Adeze, my angel, you are that one who stepped in when I lost my wife, your mother. You are the one who decided that my life must not end. You became everything to me. The sun and the moon, they rise in your face. You are my moon and you are my sunshine. Adakada, you are the very pride of my kingdom. You are the very joy that I experience in my palace. If not that you are my daughter, you would have been my sister. You would have been my mother. Maybe my wife. Because you are everything. Please. Please. What are you doing? Move!
My king, I cannot move my legs.
Even me too, my king.
You both cannot move. What have you done? I need you to tell me, what have you done? Confess immediately.
My king, by the instruction of Queen Omasiri, we killed Ibe and washed our hands of his blood in the river.
Ha! Ha!
My king, help me. Help me, my king. Help us.
Help us, my king.
My king.
Instead of me to help you, a murderer, I'd rather help a goat.
My king. Stop you faithfully, my king.
She's the savior of the land. Her love for her people, oh Sirike. She wants to fight for all, child of destiny. Our savior, our savior, you're a precious child, child of destiny, child of destiny. The gods of our
Thank you. Imego panaya zegeno bodaya. Hey, bunne mego kwanu we zegeo. Hey, gods of our land, we thank you. We thank you. Hey! At least you have blessed our land once again. Gods of our land, we thank you. We bless your name. Thank you, gods of our land. Thank you for blessing our land. Hey. Ewo. Niawala.
We have water! We have water! Oh my God. Are you feeling so cool? Thank you, the God of Allah. Thank you for restoring our stream. We're so I can't remember the last time I carried this water on my head. So cool. Oh my God. So cute. Thank you for the restoration. You're so happy. It's just so cool. Thank you. Thank you for restoring water to our kingdom. Parents will be so happy. Our Savior, our Savior, you're a precious child, child of destiny, child of destiny. The gods of our land, they will hear you.
Greetings, my princess. Greetings, my princess.
Priestess, we are here. Yes. To what do we owe this summon?
Now that everything has returned to normal, or even better, Your Highness, I want you to carry out a strong warning to everybody to avoid had I know.
Immediately, priestess, I will send words to Ukono, the town crier. Yes. He will go around the whole of our Umudia's kingdom to announce that by the verdict of the king, from today going forward, nobody must harm or kill the python. Anyone who mistakenly kills it must bury it as a human.
He say,
where we see the python dead, it shall be given burial that is befitting of royalty.
He say,
Crier was announced that nobody must throw stone into our river. This we must do to make sure that good harvest, prosperity, progress, unity will continue to be our portion in this land.
Your Highness, now my message is well past. We all are all happy. I can now receive all my offering.
Hey, let us.
Look
at the python.
No, ma. No, dog.
Look at the python is finally here. Look at all along that you have been coming here, you have been rejecting all the things you have been presenting to you from the palace. Now that everything is over and the python is here, we are going to gather all those things and send them over to you.
Yes. Thank you, Your Highness. Exactly. Thank you, my elders.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, my princess.
She's the savior of the land. Her love for her people, oh Sirike. She wants to fight for all, child of destiny.
Princess Adeze, the daughter of Ezokonkwo. At that moment in our history, when we were about to be consumed by calamity caused by a member of the royal blood, when it was required that a royal sacrifice must be made to appease the river goddess, and there was nobody willing to make the sacrifice, Adeze volunteered to offer herself.
The goddess had never seen anything like that. Instead of taking the princess, she offered that she has to be transformed into a python.
This is the reason we do not harm the python, not to talk of killing it. And that is the same reason we do not throw stone into our body of water. You killed the python in Awumodia's kingdom. You are going to leave, but that is only on the condition you are going to organize burial for the python, burial that will be on the same level of royal burial.